Hello and welcome to PEPELT, Picture Books in European Primary English Language Teaching. I'm Gail Ellis and our theme for November 2020 is philosophy to coincide with World Philosophy Day on the 19th. Our book of the month is If by Sarah Perry and published by Getty Publications, and I have the 25th anniversary edition here. Sandy spoke about the Perry text last week, and this week I'm going to talk about multiple literacies. And If can be used to develop art and creativity literacy, visual literacy, critical thinking, and traditional literacy, which is the ability to read and write. So let's start with art and creativity literacy. If is described as a visual feast. It's a book full of surreal possibilities. And Carla Rocha, in a recent Facebook comment on Sandy's film, described If as an open window to imagination. And it really is. Each double spread represents a new way of seeing the world. If butterflies were clothes. It challenges us to look, to notice, to speculate, to ponder, and to wonder. And it shows us that we often look at things superficially and we don't take the time to look in detail and see beyond what we expect to see and to think about what we see. Perhaps in an art lesson, children can be asked to notice the different techniques and materials used to create the pictures and then create their own speculations and pictures. Through discussion, children can be encouraged to make connections with their own lived experiences and question their own perceptions. They can be encouraged to read the pictures and develop their visual literacy by responding to questions such as, which is your favorite picture? How does the picture make you feel? Why? Do you think the picture is positive or negative? Do you notice anything unusual in the picture? How would you complete the sentence? For example, if spiders could read Braille, what then? In terms of traditional literacy, If contains only 97 words, and that includes the words that are repeated, like if, were, had, and could. It contains vocabulary that will be familiar to children, such as cats and mice and dogs and frogs, but it also contains vocabulary that is not often found in mainstream course materials, such as Braille, such as spirits, or hummingbirds. Each sentence, as we can see, begins in the same way with the word if, which will help children develop their reading skills. So the conditional sentence, if, followed by the plural noun, or noun usually in the plural, plus the past tense, provides children with a model. They'll soon spot the pattern, and this provides them with a model for their own writing. And this is exactly what Sarah Perry invites them to do at the end of the book. The final page reads, if this is the end, then dream up some more. So they can create their own if sentences, or as Sarah Perry refers to them in the Reader's Guide, stories. And you could create your own class if book. So If really is a visual feast, full of surprises, an open window to imagination. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy If. We'd love to hear from you how you use it with your classes, and you might like to share your experiences by writing a blog. You can find out information about this on our website. So looking forward to hearing from Tasha and Netta next, and stay safe and keep well. Bye-bye.